Yo, yo, what's good? So, today is quick update lang to, guys. So, today is day 38 of 0 to 1 million in 365 days. So, from now on, ayun na yung magiging intro ko. So, yeah, I have to stick to that intro kasi kung ano-ano na lang sinasabi ko sa una but like, fuck that. So, yun guys. Today is a good day. Nag-hit tayo ng pretty good day. Yesterday na to kasi ano na to eh. Actually, December 2 to. So, December 3 na ngayon. So, ito. Boom. Refresh natin. Refresh. Just so you guys can see. Boom. So, conversion rate natin taas. So, which is good. And pala nagpagupit na ako, as you guys can see. Pagupit na tayo and yeah. And in total, hindi ko muna sasabihin yung total ng sales natin. So, gagawin ko yun by the end of the or New Year or next year. So, yeah, medyo matagal pa. And focus lang muna tayo dito sa fucking store natin. So, yeah guys, masyadong special shit ngayon. And update natin. Nag-bike ako kanina. And ano pa bang ang ginawa ko? That's pretty much it. Yun lang naman ginawa ko buong maghapon eh. So, yeah. And then, siguro ang gagawin ko is, we actually had a sale like 30 minutes ago. So, meron na tayong sale for this day, which is December 3, which is pretty fucking good. So, fulfill na lang natin yung bukas. And, yeah. May paparating din tayong pera. I think that is 23K if I'm not mistaken. So, yeah. Wala nang natin alalahanin yun. Pretty much it. Yun lang muna. Balita ko na lang kayo. The day 39. So, day 39. So, yeah, guys. Signing out.